Hi guys, it's Paula and I hope you are doing well. This is going to be my monthly update for the Panner's Pan. This project was created by Elizabeth. She is at Cookie Pans over on Instagram. And the whole point of this project is to honor and shout out other project panners. So you pick 10 products, you link them to a project panner, you shout them out. I, of course, have made this infinitely more complicated by making it a progressive. So every month, regardless of whether or not I meet a goal, I roll in a new product for a new project panner. There are just too many project panners to talk about and not enough time. So I'm rolling in a new project panner and a new product every single month. It's a lot. It's a lot. What do I have now? I'm over 10, that's for sure. We're at 15 products right now, and I will be rolling in a new project panner this month, and I did not meet my goal on any items this month. So that's how that's going. I've also been trying to pick 3 focus, I don't know why I'm holding up 2 fingers when I'm saying the word 3. I'm also trying to pick 3 focus products to zero in on every month, and my goal for the rest of the products is to use them at least one time. That's it. My 3 focus products for the month of October were these 3 right here. First of all, the product I did use quite a bit and have, once again, nothing to show for it. I don't know what's going on here. This is my Too Faced Sweet Peach Creamy Peach Oil Lip Gloss in Pure Peach. I've used this so many times in the past month. There's not even a window. Like, give me a window, give me a crack, give me something. This has been living in my purse, which means I reach for it all the time. But no, nothing. I got nothing to show for you. I put this in this project for Tosh from Too Much Tosh, and I just want to enjoy and use up and maybe finish this lip oil. It seems easy enough. Can't do it though, but I did use this a ton in the past month. The other 2 products I did not use a ton. I only used like maybe 2 or 3 times. But first of all, I have my Maybelline Color Tattoo in Fool's Gold. This is for Rebecca Morgan and Jocelyn Claire. Again, not much to show, but I did use this a few times. And my 3rd focus item is my Jaclyn Hill and Morphe collab palette. And this is in this project for Kyra from Journey in Beauty and Rachel Stephanie from Rachel Stephanie. And I'm trying to hit pan on Buns, this shade right here. It's gorgeous. I love it. I love it very much. It's beautiful. But there's like barely a dip going on that. I need to use it a lot more before I can hit pan on that, which is the goal for that shadow. So those were my 3 focus products for the month of October. Let's take it from the top and I'll remind you of what the other products are in this project and who they are for. For Amber, the original Pan That Palette Annihilator, I have my original Naked Urban Decay palette. I'm trying to hit pan on Sin. I used it today as my brow bone highlight. It's a really nice brow bone highlight. I'm just focusing on that Milani single way more than this one. And when I was using it today, I was like, man, there's barely a dip going on this. I need to get going on this because I should be a lot further along. And if I would just use it as a brow bone highlight every single day, I'd hit pan on it. I would probably hit pan on it in no time. And it does make a beautiful brow bone highlight, maybe a little too shimmery sometimes, but it's very nice. I like it, but I should be a lot further along in that, I feel. Next, I have my lip liner in BFF for Elizabeth. She's at Cookie Pans. She is the creator of this project. Do I have a new mark to make? Probably not. Although I have used this pencil several times in the past month, I don't have a new mark to make. I am due for a sharpening real soon. It's getting pretty flat. But yeah, no new mark to make for that one. Next is this lip gloss right here. This is ColourPop's Curvy. And I have this in the project for Chic Geek. And I didn't really use this a whole lot this past month. I think just the one time. And that's because I was focusing on the Too Faced lip gloss more than this one. But this is for Chic Geek. Okay, next for Alex. Her channel is Alejandra Lisette. I have an eyeshadow single from Looksy Beauty in the shade Halo. It is in my magnetic palette, and I'm pleased to report that I finally repressed that shadow that was broken and smashed up everywhere and cleaned this palette up. But here is the shadow I'm trying to hit pan on. That's for Alex. That's Halo from, oh, that's Halo from Looksy Beauty right there. That one right there. Doesn't this look so much better? Whew, it was really getting messy for a while. For Mariella, I have this glitter polish from Julie G in Sugar Plum Fairy. I don't think I've used it at all. It's been a while since I've reached for this one. I need to get going on this. I need to get going on that. For Alexi, I have a teal electric blue eyeliner. And I don't feel like I used that much in the past month either. Maybe once, maybe. For Elizabeth with an S, I have my Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes palette. And I am trying to hit pan on the shade Peach Punch, which is this one right here. I am wearing it today. Love that shade very much. No dip going, still a long way to go before I hit pan on that shade, but I'm enjoying it very much. For my friend Nicole, I have my Wet n Wild trio in Sweetest Candy. Trying to hit pan on this top shade right here, the highlight shade. I did use it once, but still got a long way to go. For Sophie Alexandra, I have this Julep polish in Sora. I can clearly see the fill line now. So that's good to see, but I didn't use this at all in the last month. I am due for a pedicure like now, and I think this might be what I put back on my toes again. So I should be getting some use out of that one soon. For Steph Lyons and Dalyn, the creators of Partners in Cream, I have a cream concealer from MAC. I'm trying to hit side pan with this. It's slow going. I was using this as an under eye concealer, but it's become a little bit too dark lately, and I'm not using it as much for an under eye concealer, but I'm using the heck out of it to conceal around my nose while I'm getting over this cold, because I am blowing my nose constantly. So I haven't been using it as consistently, but when I do use it, I'm really glad to have it because it does a good job of making the redness around my nose go away. Long way to go before I hit side pan on that though. Okay, next, for Linda, from Linda Loves Life, I have this lip gloss, this Lancome Juicy Tubes lip gloss in the shade Desert. I've used this quite a bit. I'm surprised by how much I've been reaching for this over the past month. I have a lot of lip glosses that I think of as lip glosses, and then I have a lot of products that I call lip glosses, but I think of them as more of a lip balm, and this is one of them. It's very sheer, it's very... it's just a shiny, clear, comfortable product, and it makes my lips happy. In this weather that's getting drier and drier with less moisture in it, it feels good to have something like this on. So I've been reaching for this quite a bit. I've probably only used it about, I don't know, 10 times, which isn't huge, but I have been reaching for this quite a bit over the past month. Not much to show as far as progress, but I am reaching for this. And the last product that I just rolled in last month is this nail polish from Nail Teeny in Champagne. Yeah, it's called Champagne. This product was rolled in for Abby from Make Life Your Runway, and I want to use this 3 times, and I did use it once in the past month. So 1 down, 2 to go. The fill line is definitely a bit lower than it was when I brought it in last month. This was a surprisingly nice nail polish. I enjoyed it very much. And then I didn't paint my nails again after I painted them with this like a month ago. So I need to get going, but this did inspire me to paint my nails 1 time. So that was nice. Okay, it is time to roll in a new product for a new project panner. I've been giving this a lot of thought. I've wanted to do this for a couple months, and I keep not doing it because I know that adding another eyeshadow palette to my project panning is the last thing I need right now. But the truth is, there's nothing I need to be rolling into a project right now. I am up to my ears in every category you could imagine. So why not eyeshadow? So here's the story. The project panner that I'm rolling this in for this month is Jessica Payne. I will have her channel linked down below, just like I will have everybody's channel linked down below that I've mentioned in this video. And Jessica has a YouTube channel, and I think you would like her very much. You should go follow her if you're not already following her. Jessica and I have been supporting each other on YouTube for a very long time. And when Jessica hit 1,000 subscribers, she posted a video shouting out some of her favorite project panners. And I was honored to be one of those people. And it was such a huge boost for me and for my channel. And like literally overnight, I got like 50 new subscribers, which is, it's a big deal when you get a little boost in your channel. You know, a lot of times you can feel stagnant, like you're not really getting anywhere. And so when a little boost comes along like that, it feels really good. And thanks to Jessica shouting out my channel, I was probably at like 400 subscribers at the time, and she bumped me up to like 450. So it was really quite a big deal. And I'm just really grateful to her for doing that for me. It was really, really sweet. But anyways, back to the product I'm rolling in for Jessica. One of the things I have enjoyed watching the most out of Jessica's channel, and this is a couple years ago now, was that she completely panned an entire Modern Renaissance palette. It was so entertaining to watch her work. And I think one of the things that really stuck out to me was her commitment. Like, she just kept going and going and going and going. She never gave up. Even when she wasn't able to make complete eye looks from the shadows she had left, she just kept going and going. And I think it took her like 16 or 17 months to pan that palette, but she never gave up. She just kept going and she got it done. And I really enjoyed watching her work on that palette. As you may know, I had a series that I started a while ago called like doing a Modern Renaissance check on. And this was right around the time where people started talking about their Modern Renaissance palette going bad. And so I started doing a get ready with me using this palette. I've done a total of 3. Get ready with me using this palette and checking in with the palette. And every time I've ever used this palette, the quality of the shadows have been fine. In the end, I decided that probably the problem starts once you hit pan, and you could see the condition of the pan underneath the product. But anyways, in that series, I started talking about cost per use, which I thought was a really interesting concept. It was the first time I heard about that concept was from watching What Not to Wear with Clinton and Stacy, and they were talking about clothing and how, yeah, it may seem really ridiculous to spend $120 on a shirt if you're not used to spending that kind of money on a shirt. But if you look at the cost per use, it becomes, if you wear it frequently and it's a good quality product that doesn't break down, then it makes sense to invest a lot of money on a good piece of clothing. I'm still not able to invest a lot of money on a good piece of clothing. I tend to shop at places like Kohl's and Target, but I did think it was a very interesting concept, and I applied it to this palette. So as of right now, I have used this palette a total of 9 times, which is nothing. Not much at all. And my total cost per use for this palette is $4.66. So here's my goal for this palette. I want to use this palette until it is 99 cents per use. on this palette. I have a feeling it's going to take me a while. I will have to sit down and do the math at some point and figure out how many uses it's going to take me to get down to 99 cents per use on this palette. But for now, I would like to keep using this until I get to 99 cents per use on this palette. And right now I am at $4.66 per use. So maybe right here I will indicate how many more uses I need to use this palette to get it down to 99 cents per use. But that is my goal. However many uses that is my goal. And I am talking about a complete eye look with this palette. So this is the newest item I am rolling into this project, and it is for Jessica Payne, whose channel I will have linked down below along with everybody else. So as I'm editing, I realized that I forgot to talk about 3 focus products for the next month. So I thought I'd hop on here and tell you what they are. First of all, I want to just do one manicure with my Julie G polish. And I want to try and get as much use out of this blue eyeliner and my white shade in this trio over the next month as I can. So that is the plan. Those are my 3 focus products. All right, you guys, that is going to be it for this update of the Panner's Pan. Thank you so very much for joining me and watching and supporting. I do appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.